Let's begin the case. What's the matter?
My Lord Yogesh Chauhan, account case. Mr. Nav arrested Harsh and I am Suhani. I will fight from her side.
Okay, Mr. Miran, do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I want to tell you Mr. Navdeep arrested from his bad behavior and he found illegal documents from her house.
But the law needs proof. Do you have any kind of proof?
Yes, sir. We have many proofs.
Please show me.
My lord, please take proof.
Miss Swani, do you want to call anyone?
Yes, my Lord, I want to call to Mr. Nav.
Okay, please proceed.
Why did you arrest Harsh? Can you tell me?
Because I found some illegal document in her slab.
How you can do raid on any place?
I had gotten, so I read it on her slab.
Have you proved that there are Harsh documents because it was not proved?
Yes, I have lots of proof about this case.
Can you give me?
Yes.
My Lord, you can see there is no name, picture and signature of Harsh. So how can this said that owner of this document is Harsh?
Okay, you both can go. Miss Simran, do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I want to call Rajiv and Yogesh one by one.
Okay, you can call them.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rajiv, please come here.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will ask some questions. Please give answer.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
When did hacker debit money from Yogesh account?
Maybe on 26 July.
Okay, how much money he lost after hack?
He lost 25,000 rupees.
Do you know about mean of 25,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can go. Now I want to ask question from Yogesh. Please Yogesh, come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know about Harsh?
He was my close friend.
How many money you lost?
25,000.
Okay. How?
I lost my money because my children were using money in game.
Okay, you can go.
Okay.
Sir, I want to call Harsh. Harsh, please come here. Harsh, do you know about Yogesh Chauhan?
Ma'am, I don't know his wish.
Did you know debit money?
Ma'am, I did not debit money.
Okay. My lord, I think Harsh hacked the account and take 30,000 rupees.
No, ma'am, I take only 25 check.
What do you want to say that? My lord, case is solved. How he can say that money is 25,000? 25,000.
Harsh, do you want to say anything?
Sir, yes, I am agree. I had previous account.
Okay. Okay, under section 420, court decide Harsh is a cyber criminal and court issue a arrest warrant against hacker. The court is over.
Is there a